Hello guys, welcome to my session today. In today's session, I'll be teaching about like how to generate a perfect resume using the latest AI tools like ChatGPT. So please watch the complete session. And in this session, it's will be useful for an experienced fresher and an intern guys as well. So I'll be providing you the content, and I'll be helping to generate one format, and I'll just explain the content so quickly. No, I mean, if you are a DevOps engineer, you can generate the resume using the content, or a software engineer or an IT support engineer. So let us start, guys. So I'll just go with the experience first. So the fresher or intern guys, so please do wait and see how we are just going for an experienced guy, and then quickly I'll just tell you about the content of the fresher and the intern. Okay, so the overall procedure will be same, but the content will be different. See, you can modify the contents. It's all depending upon your experience, and it will be like a very interesting session. So let's deep dive. Okay, so okay, what is the first step you need to do? It's all about like a draft. Okay, so what are all the things you need to insert into your resume? You should not insert any fake items over there. So what are all the technologies you can just insert it. I'll show you the content, but I'll just tell you the process right now. So first you need to draft it. Okay, then you can insert the draft in a AI tool like ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a open source tool. It's a kind of a open source tool, and its free version is there. You can have ChatGPT. You can insert ChatGPT.com, and then you can go register it, and you can see this screen. And if you are still don't know how to use the ChatGPT, refer to my other videos, and please do subscribe my channel. Okay, I post in a lot of videos. And okay, so after creating the draft, we insert it into the chat gpt. So after the chat gpt, we will be using the resume builder tool. It's a kind of like an AI tool. So we refine the content. What chat gpt does, it's like refine the content and it will give an output for you. So you can, again, second refinement you can do with another AI tool. And finally, you can generate a resume with PDF format. You can download it, and then you will get a job offer. Okay, so yeah, let's deep dive into the sessions, right? Okay, so about this tool. Okay, resume builder tool. Okay, resume builder tool. So we are going to, this is the final tool. So like we just register this one. You can go to apptealhq.com, and it's a free version is there. No trial is there. It's just a free version. You can just go and register it. Okay, this tool we are going to use. And then obviously ChatGPT, I told you, you can just log in with your Google account for chatgpt.com. And Google Docs, obviously you guys might be having a Google account. You can just go to the google.com and then register it, and it will be like you can, that one, right? So docs.google.com. Okay, so these are very very simple tool and open source tools. Okay, no need to pay anything. I'll just tell you the best format what we can do. Okay, okay, think and write a first draft. Don't worry about the formatting. First thing is like, as I told you, I have content for intern, fresher, and experienced. Okay, I'll just open this experienced one. I will be sharing this content, okay, in my description, so don't worry about that. So we are taking this DevOps engineer content over here. So this is a comment for almost all the technical things, technical resume. So just give the name and then the contact over here, and just give the education. Okay, high school is there. And don't worry, don't worry about these things. We can ask ChatGPT to refine, okay, and give us. I'll just show you. So here for an experience, I am going with the 10 years of IT experience. Okay, you don't need to worry about these data. I'll tell you how to regenerate the data as well, so don't worry. Okay, so just sit and write in. No, I mean, what are all the technology? I mean, what are all the day-to-day activities starting from your current organization? So I just mentioned for DevOps engineer, and then the previous roles, and what are all the day-to-day activities, and obviously some certifications. It doesn't mean that you need to complete a certification. I mean, even course completed can also be inserted over here. And extracurricular activities also, I mean, you can mention over here. Okay, this is the content for the DevOps engineer. And for the software engineer here, I see right now I just explain you the content. Okay, so quickly, and then I'll try to generate it. Okay, For the software engineer, I mentioned like the React JS, JavaScript, and the Python, and the JavaScript and Node.js. Okay, React, Node, and it's all about the same format. Okay, so don't worry about the content. You can grab any content, but the data inside it should be like don't put any fake things on that, because no, I mean the interview will just take your resume and then interview you, and then you might get caught. Okay, so I'm just kidding. Don't worry. Even if you are putting something which you don't know, just learn and explore. Okay, almost all internet is there. Okay, so the same thing apply for an IT support engineer. Since this guy is very fresher, I mean a kind of not fresher, it's a kind of like 5 years experience. So mostly he will be working on the operating system, networking skill sets. I just mentioned over here. See guys, everything data is, I mean the format is same. So don't worry about this one. Certification, obviously you need to insert it, and then the key projects. Okay, so let us generate for a DevOps engineer. So having said that, I just have, this is just a draft. Okay, I'm just copying it. Okay, I'm just copying it. I just copy, like I'll ask ChatGPT. Okay, can you generate a well formatted resume with below contents? Okay, I just go here, I just grab this one, I just copy this one, and then I insert over here. So it will give me a refined content. So see here, so see it's giving me like a well formatted content over here. Let me print, let me print again. Okay, so I just go over here. So see, it's just giving me a well formatted content over here. Let it generate the well formatted content. See, it's just trying to create a well formatted content for me. I'll just show you the difference, what it has generated and what I have typed in. So at least you can get some idea of how it does. So we have copied this resume, this content, sorry, and I'll show you once it generates this one. Okay, it has generated. Okay, I'll just show you. Before that, I'll just copy this content. Okay, I'll open the Google Docs, docs.google.com. So we are going to, I'll just copy and paste it in the docs.google.com. Okay, I'll just copy like this way. Don't worry, just put the, it's all simple guys, very easy. Control C, Control V. Okay, so here is there. I'll just show you, no, how it has formatted for you the chat GPT. Okay, having said that, I just mentioned like education and Philip Anthony, and see here I just given like this way, like a email address and the contact, and then the LinkedIn profile. See, it has inserted LinkedIn profile, it has inserted phone number. Okay, and then it has given a heading for my description. And finally, like education, it's education, it's just putting like a main heading as an education, and BTech and the high school, it's just segregating in a separate module or a format. Okay, and then see your professional experience, it has inserted, and then see it is giving a proper formatted things. And see, it's not like that. For what I have mentioned is my present company. Okay, it has translated that. See here, it has translated that to present. Okay, from I am working in this concern from July 2020 to present. Okay, it has formatted. See, this is the best way of formatting this one. Okay, okay. So if you are not satisfied with the chat GPT, so you can ask like give me another summary. I don't want this summary. You can again ask chat GPT like give me another summary, give me another summary. Okay, I just close this one. Right, I just let me copy and paste it over here. Just a minute. Let me go to the content over here. Let me grab this one. Let me grab this one quickly. Okay, I can just go over here. Okay, sorry guys. Let me, I can put this content over there. You can just go to the chat GPT. Just copy this one. It's all about like inserting the data for the chat GPT. Okay, so it will generate it will ideally generate a resume for you. Okay, so I'm asking to give me another summary. Give me another summary. Let it come, let it come, let it come. Okay, give me another summary. Okay, so it will automatically edit for you, so you don't need to worry about the content. No, I mean, it is awesome tool. It is an awesome tool. You will get the content over there, and you have this content, so it has given you the another summary. Okay, and then I can ask it to see. It will just edit and give me a proper format, so I can copy and place it over there. Maybe I can ask it to please add some other courses, please add some other certifications. See guys, I'm just saying you like it can do it task. Okay, you can use this format. It doesn't mean that you need to put the certification which you are not aware of that one. Okay, you can just use like a format it. Okay, so for a DevOps engineer, what are all the certifications needed? Like it will just help you to generate it. See, awesome. It will re-edit and then give you, and certifications it will add something new. See, it has added like 1 2 3 4 5 6 certificate. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is, okay, you can copy all these things as I told you, and then copy here. Okay, this one of the format, and then you can just go, you save this one. Okay, uh, philip philip resume, you can save this one, and then you can go to a file, download, and then you can download it like a PDF document. So that's the reason I'm just telling you like go get this Google Docs. So I have a PDF formatted over here. See here, this is a PDF format. So the first thing what I did is like I drafted my resume, just inserted to the chat GPT. I got the refined content. So first level of refinement is done. Okay. So first level of refinement is done. Okay. So I have a PDF in my hand. Okay. So I'll give this PDF to this tool. Okay. app.tlhq.com. It's a I mean, some are free. So this is one of the best tools. So please do follow this one. There are multiple tools are there. So don't worry about that. Just follow this one. Okay. So just it's a free. I mean, you can just uh, subscribe to this, and then no, here you can go to this. This will be the home screen, and then you can go to the resume builder over here. Create a new resume. Okay. So already I have one. Okay. So I can just import a new resume. Okay, override my resumes. Don't worry, I have just created before. I'm just deleting all the previous ones. Okay, delete all my resume. Okay, now the downloaded resume, right, the refined downloaded content from chat gpt, I'm just trying to upload over here. Sorry, let me just open this one. Let me just close this one, and then yeah, I'll just upload. See, I'm just uploading the resume refined content, the first level refinement, whichever I got it from the chat GPT. I'm just refining it and then inserting to this app-hq.com tool. Okay, so see guys, freshers and interns, um, the process is same. Okay, I'll explain you the content, right? Okay, so the process is same. See here, so the resume which we have generated, right? So it's generating in a, I mean, you can just modify and edit in a second refinement. You can go here, you can select the design or the template whichever you want for your resume. See, any template. Some are paid version, don't worry, this is a paid version. Just go for any other format, like okay, this format, just click this one. See, it will automatically insert it. So save the template. Okay, save the template, and then you can preview this one as well. You can just go and edit it here also. I mean, you have the options of, okay, I don't need this point, okay, I can remove this point. Okay, so if you see like a datum technologies, so go here like datum technologies, perform docker. If I want to add one thing, see, it will add over here. Okay, all the customizations you can do over here. Okay, having said that, after you do the customization, it's simple. Export PDF resume, that's it. Export. Awesome. See, I got my resume in a proper formatted way. Okay, so see, there are many things you can just go edit it. Even you can add a bullet point also from here. So don't worry about that. Okay, a lot of things you can add and edit everything. So this is a very important tool. So it's just first level refinement is like a draft, insert in the chat GPT and generate the report, and then you can insert that PDF to this AppTil HQ. It's all it's this is also an AI tool, so it will do the job for you. Okay, so having said that, the content, no, you need to create the content. I will be uploading all these contents, so you can download it. I mean, if there is a fresher and intern, no, you can download it. And for freshers, I'll just give you some tips, no. So having been said that, you are a new pass out from your from the college, right? So I request you guys to include a volunteer experience, meaning that, okay, you have organized some charity stuffs over there. So you're tutoring for students, for underprivileged students. So I encourage you to add a volunteer experience over here. Okay, and then it all depends upon, okay, if you are applying for a software engineer role as a fresher, okay, so you can use like a part-time, like communication skills kind of job, like you have worked as a sales representative, or even a computer sales representative, something like kind of that one. Okay, and then you can just highlight in your college, you might have done some stuffs in the college related to your computers. Okay, since this role is a fresher for a computers, I request you to just align. See, one volunteer experience should be there, one part-time should be there. It should be like a teamwork, or the skills which you can give to the world, or give to the new company which are going to join. So these points will be taken care. I'm an experienced guy, I know about these stuff, so please do make a note of this one. Okay, and then inside your college, you might have done some projects over here, right? So you can mention over there, and these are like projects I have mentioned, like you can just go and but don't put any fake thing. But even if you are trying to put some project, try to learn about that. Okay, for instance, if you are trying to put like a Python, Django and SQLite, go to ChatGPT and learn that also. Okay, so don't need to worry about that. And see, extracurricular activities also you need to mention. Okay, so this is for the fresher guys. So the same content, just copy this one, insert it into ChatGPT, and then get the first level refinement, then go to the second level refinement with the AppZeal tool. Okay, as I told you. So coming with the intern guys. Okay, intern guys are currently in the mode, in the study phase, so it will be the format. One important thing I want to tell you is like, just include about, no, whatever activities you have done in your college, right? I mean, you're currently studying in the college, so if you are like participated in a code symposium, just put in over there, or you can just, even as an attendee is fine. See, all these are participants and attendee. Okay, so don't worry, just put a cyber security workshop and attendee. Only thing, whatever the data you put over here, like for instance, no, when you attend a cyber security workshop, you need to just, they will ask you like a question, like what you have done in a cyber security workshop, or what are all the takeaways from that workshop. You need to explain that to them. Okay, that will be there. And then these are like a pet projects, you can say. Okay, and certifications that you have, you can mention. So having been said that, like, okay, so resume builder tools, ChatGPT, Google Docs, and think and write a draft. Okay, give the ChatGPT and get it refined. Query for any changes and copy to Google Docs and generate a PDF. Okay, insert the PDF to resume builder and final format it. Okay, so that's what I'm just trying to say you over here. So I'll just do a recap of what has done. Okay, so this the format which I have explained you was good for that the DevOps software or the IT support. It's a technical resume. Okay, so again I'll repeat, no matter whether you're applying for a DevOps or a software ID support engineer, first you need to draft the resume and then insert it. The first level refinement is going to be the ChatGPT. Everything is a free tool, and then the second level refinement is using that AppZeal tool. It's an AI tool. Okay, and then you get a PDF format of the resume, and obviously you'll get a job offer, guys. So be positive, and please do subscribe my channel. I already have posted in a lot of videos related to DevOps, but guys, if you're not interested in DevOps also, it's fine. Just subscribe my channel. I'll be posting in a lot of common videos for this one to help people to get a job and improve their knowledge. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Cheers.